Prepositions are locators of time and space. A preposition describes a relationship among other words in a sentence. The relationship could be direction, place, time, cause, manner, or amount. In some cases, prepositions are combined with other words in structures called prepositional phrases. A prepositional phrase is made up of the preposition, its object, and any associated adjectives or adverbs. A prepositional phrase can function as a noun, an adjective, or an adverb. In describing place and time, it might be tricky to choose the correct preposition or prepositional phrase. In this mini-lecture, we will focus on the prepositions of time and space and prepositional phrases. Prepositions of time differ between one point in time, for example, on, at, in, and extended time, for example, since, for, by, from, to, during. In English, we use at and to designate specific times, and on to designate days and dates, and in for non-specific times during a day, month, season, or year. Find out the use of the prepositions of time in the following example. Regarding transfers, a study of first beginning students in 2003 to 2004 found that 35% transferred or simultaneously enrolled at more than one institution at some point within 6 years. In terms of the prepositions of space, we often use at for specific addresses, on to designate the name of a street, and in for the names of land areas, or towns, or states or countries. Furthermore, we often use three types of prepositions to compare different locations of two objects or concepts. Higher than a point, for example, over, above, or lower than a point, for example, under, underneath, beneath, below, or even close to a point, for example, near, next to, opposite. For example, the study load per pupil is shown below. Apart from single word phrases, prepositional phrases are often frequently used. For instance, a number of prepositional phrases are commonly used in academic writing to point backwards and forwards in a text. For example, as shown in Table 2. Look at this example. As we mentioned earlier, both approaches were formally implemented in a 3D VAR scheme. In academic writing, try to use prepositions and prepositional phrases to relate between time and space,